Before you watch the video, subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon for notifications. Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn about how to identify the given sequence, whether it is in AP or not, that is nothing but arithmetic progression or not. Let us see here the given terms. The terms are like okay, I would like to take 3, 18, 13, 18, so on. So these given terms are in AP or not. First of all, what we have to know is that the first term, it means each number in the given sequence is treated as a term. Each number is nothing but term, so that this is called the first term. First term. Okay, so first term is always indicated with the letter A or A1. A or A1. A1 in the sense first term. So similarly, A2, second term, 8. And this is A3 and this is A4, so on. So these are the terms. Now, we have to see whether, we have to check whether the given sequence is in arithmetic progression or not. How do we check? Yes. So whenever we would like to know that the given sequence is in AP or not, even in the before video we learned, if the difference between any two consecutive terms, if the difference between any two consecutive terms is always constant, it means, let me check that A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 should be equals to A3 minus A2, or also equals to A4 minus A3, so on. This is nothing but D. Difference. Here difference is indicated with the letter D. This is what we discussed in the last video, before video. That's what. So what is A2 is 8 minus A1 is 3. What is A3? 13 minus A2 is 8. You can check so on, nothing wrong, but I just check here, like 8 minus 3 is 5 and 13 minus 8 is also 5. Here difference is same. Even you can check with A4 minus A3 also. That is what? 18 minus 13. It is also equals to 5. Means difference between any two terms is always constant, means fixed. So I can say that 3, 18, 13, 3, 8, 13, 18 are in AP. Let us take one more example. Here the terms are like 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on. To verify whether this sequence is in AP or not, what we have to check is difference. If the difference in between any two consecutive terms is same. So what is the first term? First term is indicated with the letter A1, and second term is A2, third term is A3, that is minus 1. So here I just put here like A1, A2, A3, A4. If we have so many, we can continue. So I would like to check A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. If it satisfies, then we can say that the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. So what is A2? 1 minus A1 is 3 equals to A3. A3 is nothing but minus 1 minus A2 is nothing but 1. So a 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2, that is negative 2. Minus 1, minus 1. Even this is also negative 2. So we got the difference is same. So here, remember, always whenever you would like to find the difference, D equals to A2 minus A1, or D equals to A3 minus A2, or D equals to A4 minus A3, so on. You can check anywhere. So wherever the D is always constant, that means we can say that this sequence is in AP because here we have the common difference. Let us check one more example. So here I take the another sequence like 2, 4, 8, 16, so on. So each number in the given sequence is what? Term. So what is the first term? A1 is 2, A2 is 4. Instead of this, just I write there like this is A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, right? So how do we verify whether the given is AP? We check the difference. It means if A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2, if it satisfies this condition, we can say generally that this is in AP, arithmetic progression, right? So what I do is like A2 is 4 minus A1 is 2 equals to A3 is 8 minus A2 is 4. Now let us check. 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. 8 minus 4 is how much? 4. That means these are not equal. It means here the difference is not same. There is no common difference in the given sequence of the terms. So that it is not in AP. So not AP. What we have to see is the difference should be same. Whenever the difference is same, they are said to be arithmetic progression. So this sequence is not an arithmetic progression. So always D means what? A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, so on. Let's take one more example more. So here the sequence is 2, 5 over 2, 3, 7 over 2, so on. Let us check that this given is in AP or not. So what we do? A1, first of all we make note A1, A2, A3, A4, so on. Now I'll check if A2 minus A1 will be equals to A3 minus A2, right? If A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2, then that means this sequence is said to be an arithmetic progression. Let us check. What is A2 given? 5 over 2 minus what is A1 given? 2 equals to what is A3? 7 over 2 minus 3. Now you can check it out like 5 over 2. If you subtract 5 over 2 minus 2, you would get half. And 7 over 2 minus 3, if you check, even it is also equals to half. That means here the difference is constant. When the both differences are same, that means this is in AP. So whatever it may be, either they are in fractions, decimals, or natural numbers, or a rational number, anything that if they have the common difference, means if the given sequence have the common difference, then it is called an AP. That already we have learned in the before video. So here today we learned how to identify the given sequence whether it is in AP or not, whenever it satisfies. So finally I would like to tell you that if the difference is common, or we can say that constant means what? Fixed. Constant means fixed. If the difference is common or constant in between any two consecutive terms, any between two consecutive terms is called an AP. So this is how just today we learned how to identify whether the given sequence is in AP or not. In the next video we will learn more about the arithmetic progressions. So keep watching AGAAMATH, and if you have any more queries not only about the progression regarding mathematics, just you can give us a mail at askagaamath@gmail.com. I just write the mail is askagaamath@gmail.com. If you just give a mail at this ID, we'll give you the solution of the question. Thank you. Keep watching AGAAMATH. Take care. Bye bye. See you.